Ended up the Nike outlet right after Christmas. Parking is crazy, so I already know it's gonna be a zoo. Look at that. At least 30% off is back. Where did I hit up right before Christmas and it was only 20% off? So 30% off is a nice little welcome. But yeah, Jordan 4 RMs right here, 130. Starting off in the size 10 to half. Zoom separates. No way that's retail. Metcon 8s, 70 bucks. That's the usual price for those. Air Max DNs. Been seeing a million of these at Ross, 110. These are new Zoom flies? Nah, Pegasus 39, $70. Dunks going for $80, 30 off. These ISPA still way overpriced at $210. $210 for these scorpion looking bad boys right here. Haven't seen one of the scorpions in forever. Jordan 1 low right here, 100 bucks. Jot 2s right here, 55. Got some mids. I feel like we've seen these mids forever, 90 bucks. Grabbed one of these. I was doing my wrap-up video for the year. I think I got this for 75, but it was 40 off on top. So it was like 40 bucks that I got it for. There's 75 with 30 off here. Not seeing the greatest prices, because why would they offer the greatest price? Because it's already packed as hell. 40% off clearance apparel. Saw these on the ground. Come on now, you can't throw this on the ground. Can't throw this on the ground. This is the Mamba one, $60. You do get 40 off on top. That is actually a hell of a price. $36 after the discount. I can't do white though, because that'll get dirty in like 8 minutes. I probably could fit it though. Got this vest right here if you want to go on a boat, $80. That's a Nike running. Interesting. Trojans hoodie right here, 100 bucks. And then of course it's winter, so we got plenty of t-shirts, getting rid of all the seasonal stuff. So you got Nike running, 75. Tech Pack jacket, 130. Yeah, tons and tons of t-shirts. I'll go for 40 off. All right, these are sold out at the retail shops. They had them for hella cheap, and I don't know why I didn't buy it. That was just stupid of me. So it looks like we're gonna have another chance. I'm gonna wait till it goes on the back wall though, because I definitely pay no 80. Our clearance section, we're gonna go to the bigger sizes, size 11 and up. Where they got some mids, go for 100 bucks. I was like, same old, same old. Yep, same old, same old. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. Oh, these are listed for night. Was it night? Yeah, I think it was. Field Generals right here, $50 if you need some plain shoes. Cortez going for 90. Damn. Alpha Menace cleats if some of y'all play football. $55. Got a bunch of them. Size 12s. I'm seeing the same stuff. Look, the Air Max DNs, Metcons, Jordan 1s. Look at this. Like the same stuff over and over. Those right there as well. Look, same stuff. You got these Luca 4s right here. 135 though. Mortality is if someone needs some budget shoes. $50. $35 after discount. Air Max 270s, 170. Holy crap. Size 13s right here. I don't think the prices are gonna chill until next year, dude. Until January, till the shopping cools down. I think it was that 1 or 2 clearance racks to finish up. 40% off the clearance apparel. Got some tech pants or tech, it's like not tech fleece, Tech Pack pants right here, 120. What tag is this? I don't recognize this tag. It is the same pants, but I don't know, is this sold like in a different country or something? I've never seen this tag for Nike. What the hell? It's always this tag. That's crazy. Is this football pants? These football pants right here? Baseball pants. I don't know. It says tight fit. I guess they're just compression pants. No price tag. You got these right here. These are baggy as hell, but the Mamba pants right here, $40. Remember, 40 off, so that's what, 24 bucks. These are all larges. Oh, there's a medium too. I did grab those jackets. I didn't give them to anybody yet. Oh, they weren't jackets, they were hoodies. I grabbed hoodies for 15 bucks. That was kind of crazy. Sweats, 45. Oh, and I got the black ones. I got the black with the white Mamba trim on it. These golf slack shorts, golf shorts. Yeah, it looks like a $30. Swimming trunks. They always got swimming trunks for hella cheap. Get those off season, man. 20 $8, 40 off. It's like 18 bucks, and they got all these super bright pants. Like, damn, dude, who's bright like that nowadays? God damn, dude, that's crazy. I was like, is that an Adidas? No. It says basketball. Dude got more hoodies right here, 40% off, $70, and they're not thick, but it's a good material. I think it's like the same design, just a bunch of different colorways. Yeah, and they're all going for 70 bucks, 40 off. Is it even worth checking out the smaller? I don't even think so. Let's go check out the aisles. It's been the same stuff. Let's go see what's going on in the aisles. Where they do have these Jordan 1 high golf. These have been here for a minute. Then we got plenty of the non-signature Jordans over here. Got some Jordan 4 RMs. Jordan 1 high OGs. They got multiple displays. Got so many sizes. It's gonna take a minute to sell. Maybe they'll drop the price hella low. And more of the non-signature J's. Got 4 RMs. Got some Spiz Ice. This is the shattered backboard colorway right here. And then a few more of the other stuff. Then, of course, they always got plenty of budget signature basketball sneakers right here, including LeBron Next Gens. Like, how many of these did they make? Holy crap. They just keep showing up at the outlets. LeBron 22s. What the hell's been up with the Lakers? Lakers have been ass lately. What the hell? I know they got some injuries and stuff, but damn, I thought they had a better team than that. I don't know. But Cortez, Forrest Gumps right here. Didn't we see some of these on the back wall? Light Legacies, Nike City, shoes right here. ISPA Ava Rovers, what the hell? X Challengers, V5 Runners. Got those in a couple colorways. Vomero 5s, Diamond Turfs right here. First time I've seen those at the outlets. Of course, plenty of the Air Max 270s, Air Max 1s, Air Max DN8s, 2017s. 3 other colorways of those. And then do have a trio of these Air Max 90s and some Air Max DNs. And gotta check the running shoes, Vomeros, Zoom Flies, Alpha Flies. Nah, nothing. Holy crap, they do have a nice little heat wall right here. No discounts though. No discounts. They do have a great school with the cave stones, but nothing crazy. Alpha Flies, but regular price. Dang it. Moving over to the bigger women's sizes. Hoping for some Vomeros. No, not really. Anything dope? Not really. Got a bunch of these mids that we've been seeing everywhere. Oh, 55. That's not bad. Size 12, 10 and a half, especially with 30% off. 80 for these Jordan 1 lows. Some Gore-Tex of the V2K runners. $45. Juniper Trails if you need some hiking shoes. $45. Another 30 off. That's like what, $31 or something? The prices are crazy low. Just not much of a great selection. Let's check out some of the more common women sizes, and I guess they need some retrofitting here for the rain. Got women's Jordan 1 mids going for $60. That's up 42 after the discount. These dunks, what they talk about these dunks? $90, too much. The Ross special, we've been seeing a ton of these at Ross, right? 70 bucks. Jordan 1 low OGs right here, $60. I'm not a big fan of that colorway, but maybe for Christmas. Wear this around Christmas because it's only 42 bucks. More dunks, going for 80 something, too much. Wind flows right here, some budget runners, 70. I need to run 3s, 65. More of the Juniper Trails, they're getting rid of these, 45 bucks. Kind of like the men's, it's kind of the same thing over and over. The Motivas right here, these are going for 90. All right, let's move on to the women's section right here. Do got a ton of dunks. Got Jordan 3s right here, Lucky Green, but only small sizes. Got mids, lows, and a couple of Jordan 4 RMs, Nike Calm Slides. And I was like, oh, this is the Asia 1 ones, A1. A1 always sounds like steak sauce. But they got Sabrina 2s right here, Sabrina 3s, Sabrina 2s, and then some more A1s right here. Steak sauce. All-Star weekend color. What the hell am I even talking about? Bunch of the Air Max 270s and makeshift water containers. I guess this building is old as hell. Leaking like crazy. I see all kinds of generic stuff in the women's section. Damn. They're not really seeing any Air Max, nothing. Damn, dude, damn. Raining like crazy out there. Rain shoes for the day. Converse Chucks. These are all leather. They do have a few holes on it, but you know, just not going into puddles, I guess, today. Then jeans and a Coors Light, or actually a Coors Banquet hoodie right here. Got it for hella cheap at Old Navy, and I like beer, so why not? Why not? And then I did almost miss these right here. Women's section do got Vomero 18s right here. 120, so there's a little discount. And then this one is a little more discounted. Not digging the colors, but I do love these. I do freaking love these. But yeah, when these go on the back wall, it's gonna be fire. And they got the wide ones. For these right here, it only goes up to, oh, there's a size 12 right there. Size 12. I do advise you guys to try these on. Try these bad boys on when you guys see them here. See if the women's fit, men's fit, whatever. But just in case you have to order it online, you find it somewhere cheap, just try it on pairs. But yeah, I've tried these on. I need a 10.5. I'm not liking that price. I'm gonna wait till it drops under 100. But yeah, Nike outlets, Camarillo, obviously it's gonna depend. There's gonna be a lot of luck, but I don't foresee too much craziness until after January, or at least January. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll hit up more stores. I'm gonna hit up a couple more here. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, later that night, stopping by some additional spots because I want to give you guys enough footage. I'm also curious to see if it's gonna take a few days for them to start getting stuff, because I know they didn't get any shipments on Christmas, but I know they're always constantly getting stuff, and they have stuff in the back. So it's worth checking for y'all. Some fake forces. Got some De'Aaron Fox, Steph Curry's under the Steph Curry brand. $40. I guess he's gonna go into Under Armour soon. Got some Zion 4s. These are Zion 4s, right? I haven't tried these on. They actually look, god dang it. They actually look pretty decent. They actually look decent. This one has 2 tags on it. Apparently, a very important shoe, 75. But yeah, not too much going on. These are the bigger sizes where they got some older Lucas right here. They have been marked down to 53. Have these Hoka's been marked down yet? No, the Clifton 9 still not marked down. It's $90. Got some more of the Zions right here. I kind of like the look of these Zions. The Zion 4s right here, 75 in a huge size. Then do got some Lunar Rooms right here, 70. That's about it. Aftermath of the day after Christmas right here. They do have Dodgers backpacks. Normally $80. They are going for $40 here. They don't look too premium though. Oh man, look at that strap. Oh, cheap looking. Project Rock t-shirt. $17. It is an extra small though. Got that super bougie ACG right here. Does feel like it's made out of wool. $40, you know. ACG got that extra premium price tag. Yeah, $180 down to $40. It is an extra small. Like a Nike. It's like a rain jacket or something. Gore-Tex looking thing right here. $130 down to $40. That is a small. Some of your OG WWE fans. Stone Cold Steve Austin. That's marked down to $650. But it is, what is it, a medium or is it a small? It looks pretty small. Adidas hoodie right here. Is this an XL? I don't know. It's pretty big. $20. Really freaking soft. All right, nothing too crazy. Now we're moving on to the women's section. One's right here, 55, smallest size. What are these Adidas? What the hell? Oh, never seen these Hokas. I don't know what the hell these are. These are some speed running shoes. I don't know, $100 though. And you got another one right here. I've never seen. Oh, are these the Rocket X2s. I think these are the the racing shoes that has carbon fiber in it and stuff. So for $100, these are actually a really good value. That is a size 6. I got some campuses right here, $33. Another one of those Rocket X. If I found that my size, I probably would grab one. They're supposed to be solid. And yeah, these have been marked down to $20. I didn't see that. Moving over to the grade school section right here, where I see more of these. I also see Jordan 1 Mid SEs right here, $50. Another one right there. I think they got a ton of these apparently. What is that? One of the Max R's or something, 53. Got the messy Adidas right here, 35. I think that's about it. I think I'm done. Got Harden at grade school, 30. Yeah, I think I'm done.